Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to SHIB update today. So SHIB was previously pumping very well and we saw 1502. In the previous videos I've actually talked about this technical target 1605, and on the sidelines we do have 7 more days to close the private, and this time I've created the Q4 offer for you. For 90 days you get to pay 25 bucks instead of 30 bucks. So there's a little bit of relief out there with the prices. So do make sure you join, and you can check the top part of the video to know what the private is all about. And SHIB at the moment, here it is, the 4-hour time frame. You have the crossover and then you started to push and go to the upside. I want to show you one thing on the weekly, and the weekly time frame is extremely amazing right now, especially for Bitcoin and many other altcoins as well. So the closing here is that there's a very big dominance of the buyers right now. So that green candle that shoot yesterday, the closing yesterday really show that the buyers are actually, they have the authority, they have the most power absolutely right now. So they're actually very strong, and why not? They should be. We have been in a downtrend for such a long time, and it is actually time we start to see SHIB go back to the upside. Now if I have to lay down and things and keep them super simple, then this is what is about to happen. You have to go back here, and that is a technical target of 4493. Now this is of course not going to be a short-term trade. It's not a trade that is going to happen in the next 3 days. Since I'm observing this on the weekly, it's more like a swing trade. Okay, so maybe the whole of Q4, if you want to trade something for the next 3 months, actually SHIB could be a good idea, because once you've broken here, you're meant to really go back up there, because that's where you came from and you've broken that downtrend. So all you can do or expect to happen is go up and down like this, and eventually meet that technical target in the next coming 3 months, maybe 1 month, maybe 1.5 months. Now there could be chances that we see a small retest, because you are making a tweezer top. So this is a little bit of a tweezer top right there. These 2 candles that you're seeing right now, when you have a green candle and when you have the red candle, these are known as tweezer top. And just for reference, I've actually googled this one. So you have the bottom looks like this and the top actually looks like this. So it comes in some various different shapes and patterns, but you can always try to learn about them. You can check this tweezer top right there. You can check so many various different examples as well. So but my personal take is something like this. Okay, so something like this, same high for both candles and move down. So I think they have the very same height right over there for the same candles, as you can see, which actually makes them a tweezer top. And from here, I think you're just looking for maybe a push down to retest. There could be chances that we get to see a retest, and from there make a successful retest and then bounce off to go up to 1605, break above here, and you will have a double bottom, right? And again, just for reference, the pattern here is 1 bottom, 2nd bottom. If you do zoom in there, you can see that you're making a double bottom, you're going up, you're coming down, you break above the neckline, and then you start to continue to go even way more to the upside. So many examples. You can always check these examples on and you can learn them, or just take a trading course which I have for you. And here again, double bottom like this, and then go up, break the neckline. So the neckline is up near to that 1605 target, and if you break above it, then we can actually expect to see SHIB moving up to a technical target of nearly this is going to be 2031. I actually expect 2031 at least until November, which is actually very possible to achieve. So that's all for this very quick update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.